to get all that put together safely. And just absolutely beautiful. I think you're going to love your memories, your photographs, and your videos. We hope you share it on social media. California Capital Air Show. Hashtag CCA, if you will. City of Rancho Cordova, proud to be Sacramento International Airport, where travel becomes the FBO network that provides fuel and ground services to the general aviation community with three locations in Sacramento. The A-10 3 Thunderbolt 2 demonstration flights are performed at air shows and special events in the United States and around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, the United States Air Force soon, and then we'll get Bill Stein in the air. We have to recover these aircraft as well.